Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's important video, we'll be talking about crypto wallets, how to store your cryptos properly and how to choose a suitable wallet for your needs. We will go through that in the next few minutes, but first of all, this video is only for educational purposes. It's not financial advice, and without any further ado, let's just dive deep into the topic. So guys, we start our video here with the basics. What's a crypto wallet in the first place? Well, simply speaking here, a crypto wallet can be defined as a software application on computer or mobile devices such as phones or tablets that use an internet connection to access the internet or the blockchain in order for you to store your wallets on. That's the hot wallet. But generally speaking, a cryptocurrency wallet is an application that functions as a wallet for your cryptocurrency. It's also called a wallet because it uses similar characteristics as a wallet you put your cash or cards on, meaning that it actually stores your belongings and it's in your pocket. So it's quite necessary to understand that the wallet, the crypto wallet or the virtual wallet, is acting in the same exact way as a physical wallet in your hand. And here, generally speaking, you will find that cryptocurrencies transactions are provided. That's an interface, or cryptocurrency wallets acting as an interface between you and the blockchain as well. So it's an important link between you as a user and the blockchain as a technology in order for you to access crypto, in order for you to sell crypto or buy crypto or even send or receive crypto. You will need a wallet. It's a definite and it's a fundamental must if you want to get involved in crypto, to have a wallet, whether it's a hot wallet, cold wallet. We will go through that in a minute. What kind of wallet you will choose, it's regardless, but you will definitely need a wallet to store and keep your crypto belonging to you. So the first wallet was, of course, of Bitcoin's developer Satoshi Nakamoto. Second wallet was belonging to Hal Finney, who corresponded with Satoshi's when it was Nakamoto's reportedly was the first one to run Bitcoin client software wallet, and that was sent 10 Bitcoin as a gift or as a trial at the first start. That was just a little background here, but let's go and see how the crypto wallet work. Like how do these technologies work? Well, simply speaking here, cryptocurrency wallets or the crypto wallets are software applications on the computer or mobile devices such as phones or tablets, and they use the internet, as we talked, to access the internet, or to access the blockchain. The cryptocurrencies are not stored anywhere. There are bits of data and information in the database, and these bits of data are scattered all over the database, which is the blockchain. Wallets are just these, they're kind of collecting these bits of information associated with your public address and sums up to the amount in the app interface, meaning that the wallet will do a very clever thing of just gathering the relevant data for you as an end customer, and then it will use it, or it will just analyze it and put it for you in a simple interface on your mobile phone or on your tablet or on your computer or whatever, so you can understand how much you have or how many crypto you have in your wallet. And sending and receiving cryptocurrency is very easy using these applications. Of course, you can send and receive cryptocurrency from your wallet using various methods, and typically it's just, simple clicks of a button and you will be good to go, and it's quite easy and straightforward. But there are some fundamental differences between these wallets. What are these wallets and how to differentiate between them? Simply speaking here, you will find many different types of wallets. So let's have a look here at this beautiful chart to give you an overview of what's going on. And of course, everything I talk about is linked down below in the description for you to educate yourself and to get more grasp on what we're talking about. Types of wallets here. Well, we can differentiate between them, or we can categorize them in two main categories. One, cold wallet and hot wallet. What's hot and what's cold? Cold means away from the internet in a nutshell, and hot wallet meaning on desktop, mobile wallets or web wallets, meaning it's more accessible, it's readily available, it's just connected all the time. But cold wallets are quite different because you just set it and leave it somewhere away from the internet. Paper wallet, for instance, that can be on a piece of paper. You put your keys to access your crypto on a piece of paper. Only you knows these information, and it's also not recommended to print it on any printer that's connected to the internet, so you can have an added layer of security. Also, hardware wallets, meaning that it's kind of a USB device. You can stick it in, it can store your information, and then you get it out and it's away from the internet, meaning it doesn't have access to the internet, and it's less likely to be hacked or being jeopardized in terms of security. And here you will find that hot wallets are quite different here, because hot wallets or desktop wallets or tablet wallets are just an application in front of you, whether it's on your phone, whether it's on your tablet or your PC. you will find that it's quite easy to use. The interface is more familiar. You can easily access it, but just type your password and you're good to go. But still, it has a variety of usability here, and you can use it as readily available as possible. So you can send money, you can just store your money. I mean, it's recommended if you want to store large sums of money, you can store them on a cold wallet and leave it warm and dry somewhere, and you can only know how to access it. But if you want to regularly use crypto and send and receive and be available in the crypto blockchain, then you probably need a hot wallet, meaning a mobile wallet or a web wallet. And you know, many names out there and many companies are competing to perform better than the others, but generally speaking, they're all safe and secure, but of course with different approaches on how to use them and how to gain access to your crypto. So it's good for you to start digging deeper on how to choose wisely and how to get familiar with these types of wallets. And of course, using the best one for you and the best option for you will be quite paramount. And of course, you also need to make sure that if you're using a hot wallet, you're scanning your devices for antiviruses and any harmful software. So just in case if someone hacks your computer, it's not really jeopardizing the security of your wallet. So that's for you also as an end customer to know. So how to choose the right crypto wallet for you? Like we talked about how to use crypto and how to understand the difference between wallets, but how to choose the crypto wallet for you? Well, as I told you, if you want to store large sums of money and if you want to be as secure as possible, then probably the cold wallet can be for you. But if you want to get easy access to cryptocurrencies or your savings or your crypto in general, then probably a warm wallet or hot wallet can be for you. And as you can see here, the new technology before considering to get a crypto wallet, determine what's the best for you. Choose a hot storage wallet if you only need to keep a small amount of cryptocurrency, or if you want to store a large amount or a significant amount of money or a significant amount of crypto, then probably consider just moving this away from the online era and away from the blockchain for now, and just take it on a piece of paper or just a hardware wallet and store it away. Hot storage are usually free as well. You can just easily access it anywhere. You can link it, you can buy NFTs, you are on the internet, you're hot, you're online. But that raises a little bit of a security concern here, because it's also easily accessible for everyone you interact with. Not saying that it's not secure, but I'm saying in case there is a security threat, then probably cold wallets are more safe than hot wallets, because hot wallets can be somehow more easily being jeopardized in terms of security. But every single day, companies and applications are refining their security layers and they're putting security at the forefront of their priority over here. And you will need also to look at the features in your crypto wallet. You will need to see how many cryptocurrencies it supports, how easily accessible it is for you, and how to use the interface. Some people like the interface to be as easy as possible. Some people like more complicated interfaces. Some people like to see charts. So it's all about your choices, and you need to inform yourself as an end user or an end customer how to use it. But the main difference here, we can summarize it in hot and cold. If you're starting to invest a lot and you want to secure large sums of money, then probably cold wallets will be better. If you want to use a hot wallet, then probably with a reasonably small amount of money, that just in case, I'm not saying it will always happen, but I'm just saying just in case if things go sideways, then probably you're just not really that affected. And you also can have easy access to all the blockchain technology out there, metaverse and NFTs, and you can just be online. But if you want to store a lot, then probably consider going cold wallet. That would be the best option. So I would say give yourself some time to understand what's going on and scroll through the different options for wallets and inform yourself how they use and how to choose the best one for you, and get more involved in the process, because the crypto market is starting to pick up. So definitely if you're new to the crypto market, you will need a wallet. So it's good for you to decide which one and how to use it and get yourself familiar with it. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about crypto wallets, how to differentiate between them, what are the advantages and disadvantages of each one, and how to start getting into storing your crypto properly on a crypto wallet. So I would highly recommend you to check it down below in the description. Check the links inform yourself more, get more involved in the educational process here, because you're definitely gonna need to store your crypto. Once you start investing in crypto, you will need to store them somewhere. So it's good for you to understand the background behind each wallet and how to start using it depending on your needs. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave any comment you might have in the comment section down below, and until then, bye bye.